The COVID pandemic has caused our masjid to close its doors to the public. Normally, the masjid will be open for 5 daily prayers, madrasa classes, Dars-e-Quran, youth circles, parenting classes, adult learning classes, Jummah, and so much more. It is hard for us to have stopped these activities, and we miss our community environment. The financial cost of the masjid has been enormous. Our major income streams from your generous donations have vastly reduced, as the footfall in the masjid has also stopped. We need your help now more than we have ever needed you. We do not want our masjid to be in dire financial problems. This is your masjid that has served us and you for decades. We have taken everything online at Dars-e-Quran. We have live Tarawih prayers. There are daily reminders. The online madrasa classes are going on, and we have youth webinars. Our COVID response unit is helping people in the community with their basic needs like food. We do this so that we can keep in touch with you, our community, our family. But now we need you. But you may ask, how can you help? How can you support Aisha Mosque and Islamic Center? You can support us by setting up a monthly donation of £5, £10, £15, £20, £25, or whatever you can afford. Every Friday, make a donation using the link shown or by going to our website www.aishamosque.org and going to the donate page. Contact your families and friends and get them involved in this great act of helping your masjid to continue. If we can come together and support our masjid, we can keep it going through this difficult time. Let's keep our mosque motto: open hearts, open minds, and open invitation alive by opening our hearts and donating for this cause. Jazakallah khair, and please remember us in your du'as.